Hiding columns and rows. Sometimes you may want to hide columns or rows to conceal entries in them. For example, you may want to hide columns or rows that contain salary data. Hidden columns and rows do not appear in the worksheet and they do not print. Any number in a hidden column or row is calculated, however, even though the column or row is hidden. So let's go ahead and drag rows 2 through 5. Now, if I right-click on any one of these rows, you notice I get a pop-down menu, which is always what happens when you use your right mouse button. And one of my choices is hide. So I can go ahead and click on hide. And now all I have are my column labels and the totals. You can also hide and unhide columns on our Home tab under Cells and under Format. When I click on it, you will see Visibility, Hide, and Unhide. You'll also notice that this is where we can resize our columns and rows as well. Now let's go ahead and hide columns B through D. If I go ahead and select B through D, and as I said, it works exactly the same way in all of them. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose hide. To unhide columns or rows in a worksheet, you want to select the columns or rows on either side of what is hidden. So to unhide my rows, what I would do is select 1 through 6. Then I can right click and choose to unhide. The same is true if I select A and E. I can right click and unhide my columns. Just as an aside, what happens if you hide column A or row 1? If you click on your select all, you can then right click and choose the unhide from there. If you have other rows and columns hidden in the workbook, they will also be unhidden. And you'd have to go back and hide them if that's what you wanted.